Haydar and Freya. Now we will make magic swan. Let's put some water and then let's make this, which is coming gay. Let's put powder, ready to go. Let's put the letter oil.
No!
Oil. I have glitter. There's no hand. I'm making purple snow. Where's my container? I want to make blue snow. My snow is purple. The scoop because we need to mix this. I'm putting purple snow. I'm making a bush. No, mommy.
What?
We are doing this.
Mix it.
I want to mix it. Today we're making our soap. Now I'm putting on the toilet. I know. Smells good. Now I need soap. Now blue soap. One put the color. Now the soap. Now let's make ABC soap. Now for mommy. Green. Now let's make a butterfly. Put flower in my soap. We're gonna put flower. Connects. I'll do it. I made it. I made it. for my mom. This butterfly for me. This is for my mom. This is for my papa. She's for me, mom. This. No, it's for Freya. And they get a water cleaner. There's more water. I feel that I can use it for makeup. Wow. Like how many colors.